Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2012 Nissan Versa in an SL trim and powered by a 1.6-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency, and does have vent shades on the windows. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the trunk, which is moderately spacious and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Underneath this cover, you have your spare and a ton of extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three, as well as being able to access these two cup holders here in the middle. This vehicle does have an aftermarket remote start installed, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 131,702 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls, and then on the left, you have your hands-free radio controls, which may or may not work with the aftermarket head unit. Then up here, you have buttons to cycle through your information, such as your trip A and B mileage, your fuel economy, distance to empty. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is an aftermarket touchscreen Kenwood Stereo with Sirius and Bluetooth capabilities, so you can listen to whatever you want. A ton of options. And I believe you can even hook up a backup camera, but this one is not set up with one. Above that, you have your hazards, and then moving down, you have your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use, does have AC. Moving down further, you have two cup holders here, and you do have aftermarket heated front seats installed, so that's pretty cool too. And then you have your main shifter here with I believe that's overdrive shutoff, and then you have your parking brake and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there, as well as, I'm actually not sure what that's for, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.